Hey guys, it's 2023 and I've got a unboxing to start off the year. I haven't posted in a while because I've been a bit busy of late, and I'll show you guys what I have done to my PC. So let's get started into the unboxing. Let's cut this. I have been eyeing up this microphone for quite some time now, and I finally got it. So let's take a look. Let's go straight down here. So we have the microphone right here. We've got a manual right here as well. Assembling the microphone. Easy. Comes with a shock mount, as you can see. Grab our cable. Also the boom arm mount. That's pretty handy. Alright, we'll take the tag off. Nice and easy. Just the microphone to see how well it can balance. Pretty well balanced, and it's a bit wobbly. Shock mounts. We have the USB Type-C cable as well to go with it. We'll plug it up to the PC and see how it sounds. Now I'm pretty sure this also comes with software, so that you'll hear the enhancements through my streams, which will be over on Twitch. So basically now I have my setup all complete. We've got the microphone, which I'll be showing you guys soon, and I ended up putting a water cooler in during the holidays. I used custom fans. I can't remember what brand they were. You can basically control them with an application. I added them on the front as well, and I thought it was a nice little addition to the PC. It cools down the PC a whole lot better. The software is just amazing, and you can pump up the fans and it cools down the entire PC, and the graphics card doesn't heat up, because when I touch the glass of my PC it would be very hot from the graphics card. So how about get straight into the microphone. So as you can hear now, I'm using the HyperX Duocast microphone. It's very clear and crisp on the voice, and you can turn the microphone volume up and down with a little dial at the back here. And obviously my voice is going to sound a bit more quiet and stuff like that. There is software you can use to adjust the settings on this microphone. There's not really much special about the software except for the LED configuration. I just configured it to go speed because I thought it looked nicer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.